It's episode 4. Hello, welcome back. This week I'm going to be talking mostly about my plans for the tail end of the bike, the seat support and the tail light assembly, all of which are going to be sort of fabricated, so special just for my bike. You may recall previously I showed you the metal tube I was playing around with to extend the frame. Well, since then I've drawn up a plan which looks like that, which is wonderful, and had a very nice colleague, calling a few favours actually. I have a nice colleague make me a little fabricated seat post, which I'll show you now. It's a thing of beauty. Right, once again, forgive the shaky camera work, 'cause I'm using my my hands rather than a tripod. But this is my plan, glorious master plan, isn't it wonderful? Highly detailed. And this is my fabricated part, which is remarkably similar to the plan. Look at it, look at that. So this is my fabricated seat post, which will go into the back frame of the bike, supporting the seat. It's a really perfect fit for the seat. Again, I'll show you that now. Actually, one second. So there's my triumph bobber seat we talked about. And then this plate here fits beautifully on there. And that's kind of how that support's going to work. This bar isn't quite finished yet. I need to do some supports on the end. But that's a pretty good fit, like that. That's good. And then this goes on the bike, which is around here. And this end goes into that tube to about there. I will bolt that through in a couple of places over here, but that's essentially what I'm doing. And then the seat sits on like that. I think that's groovy. Let me show that with the tank on, one second. And there you have it. So roughly that. Seat isn't bolted down actually, so it will tip forward a little bit. But that's roughly how it's going to go. Very good. So that's the seat post, which I think will work quite well. The next thing I've done is I've done some work on a taillight assembly. A little plan looks like this. And then I've made a cardboard version of the thing I'm going to be using. So these are my taillight LEDs, which are this sort of stop, turn and brake, etc. And I've made a little cardboard thing of how that might go together, and then I'm going to put it on the seat. Let me show you that now. One second. So this is the taillight assembly, and it fits like this. So that sits over the seat. The post sits behind. I have to manage the wiring some way, but roughly that's it. That's how it will look, which I think is quite groovy actually. Right, a quick demo of how this LED strip works. I have a tail light, which looks like that, daytime light, brake light, which looks like that. Oh, that's it. And then indicators that look like this. Let me just get it better. And that one. Clever little thing, I think. Clever. So that's the entire rear light assembly. Nice. Okay, so Things to do then is finish the seat post off. There's a couple of small final things to do to that seat post, which I'll do now. I've finalised design of my tail tidy, let's call it. Then my next task is to build this out of something other than cardboard. Material of my choice, carbon fibre, which I like the look of. Look at that beautiful thing. Yeah. Carbon fibre panel. I'm going to cut the pieces out of this and glue it together, and hopefully that'll look good, and I'll show you that next time. I'm also, while I'm at it, going to replace the Triumph badge on the back of my seat with something else, probably also out of carbon fibre. So tune in next time for those updates, and if you like the video, don't forget to like it and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.